Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 732 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another Shopmissa product, which means this product right here only cost $1. It's cruelty free, and so this is the SHE Makeup Jelly Shimmer for face and body. And oh my gosh, this looks so fun. First of all, cute packaging. I got this in the shade Champaign Gold. And this actually comes in 12 different shades on the Shopmissa website. So they have like some colorful shades, some more neutral shades. I have to say, this is a little bit smaller than I was expecting, and wait. Is that supposed to happen? Or is this dried out? The thing with the Shopmissa website is that it doesn't really say how to use it. But I really did not expect for it to be solid like this. I thought it was going to be more jelly textured, because it really is like hard and there's none coming off. It's not even like this is that old. This looks so pretty, but this is definitely not how it's supposed to be. Like, should I try adding water? Like, I just seriously took it and like wrote on my skin, and that looks beautiful. Like, it's metallic, it's glittery, but I don't think that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, if you've tried this product, please let me know in the comments down below if yours was solid like this, or if it was actually like a gooey jelly texture. I'm actually kind of bummed because it's not like I can really return this either, but it really does look so pretty. Like, it's gold, but it still has like some rainbow to it. I'm gonna go ahead, and this is so funny, but I am gonna apply it to my cheeks in the solid form, and then I'm gonna go try adding some water and see if that does anything. But like, it really is a gorgeous glitter. Like, it's almost a little bit too glittery for a highlighter on like an everyday basis. It's more of like a festive highlighter because it's very glittery, but it's so pretty. This is just gorgeous glitter. It's like very thin glitter pieces. It's like shimmery, reflective. So hopefully this is just dried up, and I'm gonna add a little water and it'll come back to life. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this like seriously just turned into an art project. I added a little bit of water. I'm using a brush to mix it up, and it's still kind of solid on the bottom, but maybe I have some form of like liquid eyeshadow. So let me see. Oh my gosh, like, this is seriously so pretty. I can't get over how gorgeous these sparkles are. Like, I mean, it became a beautiful shimmery paint that, if it can dry down, this might be an amazing eyeshadow. But I mean, even just like, it's a beautiful shimmery paint now. Like, can I use this pretty much as like a body paint? I'm just really trying to make this work because it's so beautiful, and I don't want it to be my biggest failure of a product, but I don't know. I might have to give up, but let's see how it looks in more of like a, feels like I'm doing face paint. Like, that is more blinding. I feel like it's not drying down, so I may just have to use this as a body glitter and just kind of blend it out, because This glitter is amazing. So here you can see how the glitter is. So this on like my shoulders, neck, collarbones, when I'm wearing like, you know, in the summertime, tops that actually show my shoulders and collarbones. I think that this will be a beautiful body shimmer, but unfortunately, I just don't think I'm gonna be able to make it work for my face. It would have been awesome if I could have used it as like a glittery eye, but yeah. Seriously, just like turned into paint for me, but I mean, I want to paint myself in head to toe glitter, but it's just not very practical. But hey, if you're looking for beautiful body glitter for $1, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous glitter. I was hoping that this would be like that e.l.f. jelly highlighter, which I love. I will have that video linked down below if you want to see what I'm talking about. But this, maybe I got a bad product. Maybe it's supposed to come with more of a jelly texture. I wish I knew, but that's okay. I'm walking away with some gorgeous glitter body paint. So not what I expected, but I'm happy with it. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.